Never did I expect there will be uh, bestowed upon me being adopted son of a Binay, di ba? So, proud ka kayo. No? That is very rare. May tabong kaya nga ka naman with all the honors kaya ilang yata nga ito ka. Karabuntaga. Dili kay sa resolution lang but really coming from the whole council, di ba? So, wala. Tutay ta kayo. Yung sa ato pong mga pangbuhat din for the last 9 years, na almost every week niya Diyos mabinay kung siya kumatabang, ako di pa dapat din mabinay.
So what's your thoughts for 9 years as a congressman in the second district? You have very impressive projects here in the
You know what? Non-stop, no? You know me. I do not stop to work once I begin. There's no stopping. Di ba? Diretso na sige. I do things by cluster, harang paspas kayo. Same thing will happen in the city of Dumaguete. Paspasanay ko. One of my plans galing sa Dumaguete will be ato kung tago ng city engineer. I had them make a design already. At there will be 5 covered courts done simultaneously. Karon July. 5. Dunga na. Dili kay one at a time, pero dili dunga. Different contractors, harang paspas kayo. Ang atong pabuhat. Atong kadalanan, doon Dumaguete na ko kayo kinahanglan o gusto. Simintuon sila natin. Also, done by different contractors, harang paspas kayo. Kanang administration will be fully for repair and maintenance. Pero construction, wala na. Karon paspas kayo. We don't have the luxury of time. Di ba? The development of Dumaguete is very, very fast and strong. So, kailangan tawag. Government has got to be attuned sa development. Dili kay need back. Si paspas yun. Kumay mo gawin na. Of course, would be health. Dahil naman food tourism. In other words, it was about practically Dumaguete. Kanang tasis, ibu kalibutan sa Dumaguete. Nakay Japanese, nakay Korean, nakay Spanish, nakay Continental, nakay no? What I want to develop is also the locally kanimang grown nga pagkaon. In other words, atong strengthen kayo atong painitan. Pagwapon, palimpyon, ayun sa painitan. Although in the future, mausog mo na tungod kay as part of the project to revitalize and make a new public market. Pero on the meantime, ato dyan sa kayon. Ato dyan na po. Ato importante, sanitation, banyo, tarde ka na. No, importante ka na. Para ito ang kainitan.
Aksyon! Balita! Walay pugong-pugong mubulgar sa kamatuuran sa kanginan.